In this video, I will show you how to activate Windows 10 or Windows 11 and what you can do if your system is not activated properly. First, open Settings and then go to the System section. Scroll down until you find Activation and open it. This is the place where Windows displays the current activation status of your computer. If you have a valid product key, simply click the option to change your product key and enter the key that you own. Windows will then verify it and, if everything is correct, activate your copy of Windows automatically. If activation is not working or you recently changed important hardware such as your motherboard or moved your license to another computer, you can also use the troubleshoot option found on the same page. The activation troubleshooter can help reconnect a digital license that was previously linked to your Microsoft account or resolve common activation issues automatically. In many cases, this tool is enough to restore activation without needing to contact Microsoft support. Once the process is complete, check the activation status again to make sure Windows is properly activated and ready to use. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.